Good morning, dear children. I hope you are studying properly at home and you are getting ready for your annual examination. And today we are going to continue the same lesson 9 and the next two interesting topics, that is generating random numbers and changing location randomly. So these two topics are very easy and very important and very interesting to learn. So and today we will be learning it in a practical way. I won't be appearing in front of the screen more often. I will be guiding you from the desktop, right? Please follow the mouse pointer so that you can easily understand, and whatever I do, just do the same thing in your computer if you have, then you will get same exact result of generating random numbers. So what is the meaning of generating random numbers? So when we give any particular number 1 to 10 or 1 to 100 or 1 to 1000, any numbers, computer itself will generate random numbers. Random means not sequence one. It will show one by one, either 1, 3, 7, 5, like this. It will show randomly any numbers. When we give a criteria, it will show exactly from there. And the second topic is changing location randomly. So for an example, how we do the generating random numbers, the same way we will be changing its location. It will move, jump here and there. So it will change the location randomly. So that's what we are going to see in this first class. In this class we will learn, and when we see in the practical way, you will like more. We will be using starfish, and then it will move up and down somewhere here and there on the screen, and then we mean to say stage. When we speak in the computer term, we say stage. Then it will stamp the colors. It will change the color by itself whenever it moves up and down. It will show the color. So that we will see in the practical way. Come on, dear children. Now let's learn these two topics the practical way. Now we are going to see the generating random numbers the practical way. So what we are supposed to do here is, we can also generate a random number from a specified range by using the pick random 1 to 10. See here, this block can be accessed from the operator blocks, right? So here what we can do, number 1 to 10, here we can change any range. Instead of 10 we can write 100, 1000, anything we can write here in this range, right? So from after doing this block, what happens, it will execute the numbers in random way, not in continuous way, right? See here, in the same way, place the blocks in the script area as shown in the figure 9.5. So how it is shown here, same way we are going to insert the block, right? So and then afterwards click on the block and you will see the sprite speaking random numbers between 1 to 50. So now let's execute this one. First what we are supposed to do, first we have to insert the forever block from the control, I mean from the operator, and then we have to insert the same blocks as it is given here. Now let's see that. First what we are supposed to do, first we have to insert forever. Now I have inserted already, and what sprite they have used? They have used Doug. They have used Doug sprite. For that, first delete the cat sprite, then insert a Doug sprite from the library. Doug sprite, then Doug sprite has been inserted here. Okay, let me insert the size some more bigger. Okay, now I have increased the size of the Doug. Now we have to insert control forever. So drag and drop here. I have drag and dropped, and say hello for 0.5 seconds here. So that is from looks. Here drag and drop inside, say hello, it is given here. Then inside we are supposed to insert pick random 1 to 50. Pick random 1 to 50, it is available under operator block. So drag and leave it inside. Now you can see this block. Here. Now what is the number here? 1 to 50. type here 1 to change the number 10 into 50 and wait for 0.5 seconds, and that's all. Now it is ready to execute. Now let us execute and see. It will show the random numbers. It will show the random numbers here. So when we execute, what we are supposed to do executing, we have to use the flag. When we press the flag, right? So insert the flag. When the flag is clicked, it has to execute. Now let me show it in the full screen. I am going to press the flag key. So when I press the flag key, it will show the random numbers from 1 to 50. This is 24. It shows, see, it is showing randomly forever. Until we stop, it will generate like these numbers 10, 49, 44, 23, 9, 17. Like this, it will show random numbers. So this is how we have to insert the random numbers. Right, dear children? So if you want to finish it, just stop. Now we have executed, and if you want to play once again, press flag key, then it will start again. Right? This is how we have to insert the random numbers from generating random numbers. Clear, dear children? And next we are going to see changing location randomly. This is also one of important, and it is very interesting to learn. How we are going to do here is changing location randomly. This stars will be inserted. This stars will change its location by itself randomly, and it will change the color also. How we can do here? Same, whatever we used before one exercise, same thing we will use a few blocks here. How we are going to do? Pick random 1 to 10 this block, and guide 1 to all these things we are going to use here. How it is given here in the picture 9.6, the same way we will also insert the blocks, and afterwards we can see the results. First, what we supposed to do here, the default, before that we have inserted duck sprite. Here we have inserted duck sprite, right? Then what we are going to do here, we will delete the duck sprite and add starfish sprite on the stage. So you know how to delete it, right? When you press this delete key, everything will go, everything will be disappear. Now insert starfish from the library, and if you search here, it will take time. It will take time to search. Better in the search box type starfish. Yeah, just click, that starfish will be inserted. Keep here somewhere. And what do they say next? Adding pick random 1 to 10 block on the inside. Here we have to do it. We have to do inside. Will block randomly change the x and y coordinates of the sprite's position on the stage. So what happens? This pick randomly 1 to 10. This will pick randomly. What we have done the previous one, it was showing the random numbers. Here it will show the random numbers, and it will show the x and y positions. See here, guide. It shows x and y positions. It will change accordingly. Here, see here, x and y positions, it will change. It will move accordingly, and it will change the color too. Change color effective by 25. It will change the colors by itself. And next costumes, when it changes, when stamp comes, it will show it will paste the picture, and it will go to the next one. Now let us see there the practical way. First, what we are supposed to do? First, we have to delete this duck sprite and add starfish. That we have done already. Now we are going to pick the forever. Let us follow this picture. First is forever. Insert the forever. Insert forever control here from control block. Insert and drag and drop. We have dropped here. And the next one, next costume. Next costume, it is there under looks block. It is under looks block. Next costume, drag and leave it inside the forever. And the next one, guide 1 seconds, right, to x y. So guide is there under motion glide x and y, this one. So the motion blocks you can insert glide and leave it inside and afterwards here x and y, here 1 seconds to x and position it shows. So inside x also we have to change and the y also we have to change. How it is given here? In the x place, pick random. It is there under operators, pick random and leave it inside x also, and same way the y also, take duplicate and leave it inside the y. Here after inserting forever and glide 1 seconds to and pick random 1 to 10, we have to insert the pick random x position also and y position also we have to insert it. And afterwards next costume will be there, the first one, and then change color effective by 25. So it is there in the looks block. Here, see here, change color effective by 25. It is under looks block. Drag and leave it here. And afterwards stamp means when the starfish moves, it will take a copy of there. So it is, the stamp is there under pen block. So pen is there, you have to insert the pen. Then here you can see the stamp. So we have to insert there in the stamp block. So insert, drag and leave it here. Now almost we finished, but we have to change the numbering here, 200, minus 200 and that this locations. So minus 200 and plus 200, and here comes minus 100. Number also very important, dear children. If you give the wrong numbers, it will not execute properly. And afterwards same, leaves as it is. Now when we execute it, it has to show properly, so that just take events. When I click flag, right, now it is ready to execute. Now let us see how it is moving here. So I will keep it a full screen. Now I will click this one, then I click, so it will start executing this one. So now I will show you. See, it is moving and taking a copy of it. Wherever it moves in that place, it is taking copy. It is called stamp. Going there, giving stamp and moving. I am not doing anything. So it is changing by itself until we stop, and it takes stamp. Color, see, color is changing by itself. So likewise we can do not only in the starfish, we can do anything. Children, not only in this starfish. So we can bring any sprite in that and it will move here and there. We can do anything in that. So this chapter is very interesting chapter, dear children. So try to practice at home, and how the starfish is moving here and there and giving stamp. The same way we can give anything. We can give not only the starfish, we can give a ball and any picture we can do that. But the blocks we have to bring out proper way, so that we will get a proper result. So I wish that you can practice at home, and you are doing it so. So this is important chapter for your examination. So study properly. Thank you, dear children.